Welcome to A Plus Imports. This is a pre-owned 2005 BMW X5 3.0i. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 147,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This very good condition 2005 BMW X5 3.0i has a clean title and Carfax, serviced, limited warranty and 2 years service contract included. For more information, test drive, photos, or financing, please feel free to contact A Plus Imports at 650-365-9500 or simply log on to www.aplusimports.com. Do not forget to ask dealer about our no credit check financing. Thank you for visiting A Plus Imports, we're always here to help. Please note, special price does not apply for in-house, no credit check or special finance loans. Please ask dealer for details. Key features include automatic climate control, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control.